Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate task reminders with Todoist easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Todoist on your device. Log into your account or create a new one. Navigate to the project where you want to set up task reminders. Click on the Add Task button. Enter the name of the task you want to automate. Set a due date for the task by clicking on the calendar icon. Select a specific time for the reminder by clicking on the clock icon. Choose the reminder option from the drop-down menu. You can select to receive reminders via the app, email, or push notifications. If you want to set a recurring reminder, click on the repeat option. Select the frequency of the task, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click Add Task. To further customize reminders, go to the Settings menu. Navigate to the Reminders section. Ensure you have enabled notifications for your preferred method. You can also sync Todoist with your calendar for additional reminders. Now, your task reminders are fully automated. You will receive notifications based on the settings you have chosen. Check your tasks regularly to stay organized. Adjust reminders as needed for better efficiency. That's it. Enjoy your automated task reminders with Todoist. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.